Alright, y'all, this was my first time ever being out on this river, so I didn't really record an intro, and actually I did, but it got deleted, but the water was really murky, and me or my new buddy didn't really have very much luck, so yeah, sorry about that.
Got the bell going. That's what I'm saying.
Or you did that bird if the only one out there.
I mean, you would think the bird would scare them towards us. If I don't get a bite in the next, say, like 10 minutes. Next 8 minutes, then I'll pick up and recast somewhere. I'll probably switch to record on my phone. Yeah.
Let's see, what else do I got I can throw?
Don't care what you say. Do 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 do.
So, my girlfriend caught this here the other day.
Nice.
Right here. And then I caught this right here.
What were you using?
Anchovy. And then caught this
Nice.
right here. These right over there. So yeah, they're in here. They're in here.
Man, trust me, if I wasn't 13, I'd be anywhere I want right now.
Yeah, right now you're gonna learn everything you need to learn. So when you're not 13 anymore, you can go wherever you want to go.
Yeah. Me and my brother, we went on a charter up in Pittsburgh for my birthday, for our birthdays and Christmas.
Oh really?
Yeah, we went up there and caught sturgeon. And
Oh, that's a kick in the pants.
yeah. Let me see. Let me find the pictures.
Sturgeon are fun.
Yeah. I have videos too.
Do you really?
Yeah.
Catch some big ones?
We caught 2 sturgeon, 1 striper.
Oh, okay. How big was the sturgeon?
I think one was here. Let me find the picture. This one was the one that he caught,
Oh, nice.
and then I caught this one.
Oh, very nice.
That was my first ever sturgeon.
Heck yeah. They're fun to fight, ain't they?
Yeah. And then here's that striper that we caught, or that I caught.
Oh, that's a nice striper.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
We kept them.
Oh, yeah, fish talking.
And I have the videos of us fighting the sturgeon too. But yeah, that was my first ever sturgeon I've ever caught. I feel like over there under the bridge near Wimpy's would be good.
You know what? I've never caught anything there.
Really?
Yeah. So I caught this about 2 miles that way.
So I've been fishing for a while. Me and my buddy Ron.
I hooked this guy real bad, but it wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. This is a tiny steelhead. They were biting really heavy today. That's just for you guys who don't know what it is. I did call it a rainbow trout, but I was completely wrong. It's a steelhead.
It was really just a snag. If that was a fish, man, that thing would have been huge. But yeah, me and my buddy Ron, we were fishing. He was nice enough to.
It took me a while to get that guy revived, you know. He was out of the water for a good bit, and then he started bleeding. As you can see, his blood got on my camera lens, but I eventually got him back, and he swam off nice and cool. I didn't see him floating anywhere else later on, so hopefully he's okay.
But yeah, we didn't really catch anything, so I'm gonna keep fishing and let y'all know. But for now, alright, I didn't catch anything today, guys. Or for now, I might come back out later on with Ron again if he's out. And I'm probably gonna go to Walmart or something and buy like some bobbers so I can catch some bluegill and all that good stuff.
I had no idea what this fish was. I've never seen it before, but I took a picture and sent it to my buddy Ron, and he told me it was a pike minnow, and they're good for live bait for stripers. So later on, maybe a later video, I might try to catch them as bait and go try to get a big striper. But I was pretty scared to touch this fish. I'm gonna be honest, I didn't know what it was. Sorry for the bad angle on me taking the hook out. My GoPro flips every time I go down a certain way, so it doesn't record me taking the hook out. But he was all cool. He got released though.
Hold on, I got a kink. Alright, I got that kink out. So let's hope I get one. I've already got 2 bites. The water's clearer than it was last time. So hopefully I can see chasers and all that. That kid's right there just caught me. One came off on the back foot. Hopefully I can use them for bait or something. See if I can get any big ones to bite. Oh, you got another one.
You don't hook them, man. You don't. Take it easy.
You too. I don't know the secret to catching these motherfuckers. We also haven't fished in a lot, so. If I get one on, then I'll for sure let you guys know. Fish on, fish on, fish on. Hey, oh boy. Okay, come on, buddy. Oh, nice cinch. Look at it. Fish number 1. Let's get a release on this guy. nice safe release on that fella. Took him a little bit. He was out of the water for a while. Let's hope we can get another one though. It's a nice little rainbow trout. Oh my god, what is the look? Look. I miscast and it went up. Oh my god. Yeah, it feels good to wipe that skunk off the board. So, I'm gonna keep going. Hit you guys if I get another one. I'm on. We're on. Fish on. What the fuck is that? Uh-oh. Relax. Alright. Fish number 2. What are you, buddy? Oh, that's a little steelhead. I've never touched one of these before, so I'm honestly quite scared. Hey, pal. I'm gonna pick you up, okay? Say ah. Say ah. Come on. Spit it. Spit it. What the fuck? Come on. Give me my hook back, asshole. Give me my hook back then. Look, bro. Yeah, this guy has to be bait. He's not giving me my hook back. Hey. Relax, pal. I just hurt me. Thanks, man. Nice. Fish number 2. Right here. Let's get a picture of this guy. Send him out back to the water. I can whip you. Alright, it's starting to rain now, so I'm gonna go release this guy and probably head back. Come on, buddy. There we go. Thanks, bud. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna wait till it cools down a little bit. It's about to get really windy, so I'll come back out in a minute if the wind clears up. But I'll most likely be back. See you.
Alright, this is me recording this the night after. I ended up going back out this morning earlier, and I didn't catch nothing. But, I'm gonna plan on making another video later on. I appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. You don't have to, but make sure you comment if you want. And yeah, have a good one.
Yeah, see that's another 6,000.